Peanuts, one of the world's favorite snacks. Crunchy, salty, and addictive. But before they end up in your movie night bowl or those tiny airplane snack packs, they go through an incredible industrial process. Welcome to Factory BTS, where today, we're taking you inside the world of salted peanuts from the soil of peanut farms. Two massive roasting drums and high-speed packing lines that ship these golden bites across the globe. Harvesting the raw peanuts, our journey begins in the fields of Georgia, USA, and Gujarat, India, two of the biggest peanut-producing regions in the world. Here, peanut plants grow underground, like treasure waiting to be unearthed. When they're mature, farmers use mechanical diggers to pull the plants from the soil, shaking off dirt and leaving the pods to dry under the sun. After a few days, the peanuts are threshed, separated from the roots and stalks, and loaded into trucks for delivery to shelling plants. Shelling and cleaning. At the factory, the peanuts go through mechanical shellers, giant rotating drums lined with ridges that crack open the shells while keeping the nuts inside intact. High-speed air blowers and vibrating sieves then remove the broken shells, dust, and foreign particles. Next comes the grading stage, where peanuts are sorted by size and color, using laser scanners and cameras. Only the perfect ones move forward for roasting. These machines can handle up to 10 tons of peanuts per hour. That's enough for millions of snack packets. Roasting, the science of crunch. Now comes the heart of the process. Roasting. The cleaned peanuts are fed into massive continuous belt roasters or rotating drum roasters. Heated between P to 180 degrees Celsius day, minus 355 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot air circulates evenly, removing moisture and giving peanuts their signature crunch. A single roasting line can process over 3,000 kilograms per hour. Operators monitor temperature and color carefully, because just 30 seconds too long can turn them bitter. Once roasted, they're cooled instantly using forced air to stop the cooking process. At this stage, the factory smells like pure roasted heaven, nutty, warm, and irresistible. Salting and flavor coating. Now it's time to turn those plain roasted peanuts into the salted snack we all know and love. There are two main methods, dry salting and oil salting. In dry salting, peanuts are lightly misted with water or brine, and fine salt is sprayed evenly as they tumble in large rotating drums. For oil salting, the nuts are first fried in hot peanut or vegetable oil, then drained and salted, giving them a shinier appearance and richer flavor. Some factories add seasoning blends like chili, honey, or barbecue, using automated mixing systems that coat every peanut evenly. Quality control and testing. Before any peanut leaves the factory, it must pass strict quality checks. Samples from each batch are tested in on-site labs for moisture content, salt level, oil absorption, and aflatoxin safety, a natural toxin that must be carefully controlled. Cameras and metal detectors check every bag to ensure there are no contaminants. It's precision work, combining food science, engineering, and hygiene at every step. Bulk packing and automation. Once cleared, the peanuts move to automated packing machines. First, they're weighed exactly 25 grams. 100 grams, or 1 kilogram, then dropped into high-speed vertical form-fill seal machines that create packets from rolls of printed film. The film is heat-sealed, nitrogen-flushed to prevent oxidation, and date-coded for shelf life. Nitrogen is key. It keeps peanuts fresh and crunchy for up to 12 months without preservatives. For export, these smaller packets are placed in cartons, shrink-wrapped, and stacked by robotic arms onto pallets ready for global shipping. Distribution and global reach. From these factories, salted peanuts travel everywhere, from local street shops in Asia to supermarket shelves in Europe and vending machines in America. Global brands like Planters, Halderams, and Tonggarden all use advanced production technology to deliver consistent taste and freshness worldwide. Sustainability and byproducts. Even peanut shells and skins don't go to waste. They're used to make animal feed, compost, and biomass fuel. Meanwhile, factories are now adopting solar dryers, energy-efficient roasters, and water recycling systems to reduce their carbon footprint. Every step from farm to factory is getting smarter and greener. So the next time you grab a handful of salted peanuts, remember, behind that simple crunch lies a world of precision, technology, and passion. From farmers who plant the seeds, to machines that roast and salt them perfectly. It's a global story of how tradition meets automation. This is Factory BTS, and you've just seen how salted peanuts are roasted and packed in bulk. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing factory tours from around the world.